Hey, good morning, y'all. I decided to get out on this cold winter morning. Got the sun behind me. It's pretty cold and windy out, so I decided to come in the woods. And about 5 minutes ago, just as I was starting to dig a hole, which had just a lead thing in it, I don't know if you can see my truck through the woods there. I thought I'd be close to the road so I could keep an eye on my truck. And I had a man pull up behind my truck and get out of his truck, and I'm like, oh no. So I went out there, and it turned out to be a friend of mine, and he was showing me some places on a map. But anyway, I'm digging a hole here, and I haven't got to the target yet. When I get to it, I'll let you see what it is. See you on the next. Alright, I finally got to the target. Looks like some rolled up lead. I don't know what it's for, but finding a lot of lead around here. See you on the next. Well, everybody, I switched locations. The woods I got tired of the branches poking me in the ear, so I'm back out at the marble field. See if I can find any more here. Well, I got my first hole here. Let's see what I got. A couple things. I think this is a piece of brick. Yep, I think that's brick. Let's see what the pinpointer tells me. Just a bunch of aluminum. But it looks like it's could be a cap to something. Anyway, on to the next if there's nothing else in this hole. Well, that was it. I can't get this hole back good. It's wet dirt, so that's pretty good. It's a terrible hole. I was able to get that hole back pretty good. It's not too bad. Well, this signal was a 85 to 90. So we'll see what we got here. Hopefully it's not junk, but it may be. It's right next to a trash pile, so it's very well could be junk. We'll see if I got it out. There it is, something. It is a I don't know. Let me clean it up and I'll let you see it. Well, this looks like it may be a swedge off of some tubing or pipe or something. Looks like it would be crimped. Never seen one before, but I think that's what it may be. See you on the next. Well, y'all, I think I finally got a good target. It's a nice little button. I have found one other like this one here. It's got a nice little decoration on it. I was a little reluctant to dig this one because I've run into so much trash. But this is a pretty good looking one. I love finding the buttons out here. See you on the next. I don't believe it, y'all, but I think I found another really nice little buckle. Yep, another one I can add to my collection. That is so sweet. Love it. I don't know if these came off of shoes or actually maybe a dress belt or something. This one, the signals, I wasn't sure whether or not I was gonna dig it because it just kept giving weird signals. Sure glad I did dig it. Nice. See you on the next. Y'all, I don't know what I have in my hand right now, but I had a fun time trying to find it. But let's see what it is. Oh, did I drop it? I think I dropped it. Aw, darn. What is that though? I think this is a needle threader. That's pretty neat. I've never found one of these before. I thought it was a coin there for a second. Let me clean it up. I'll get back with you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what this is. The needle threader would have had a wire coming off. Pardon the wind, I'm out here in this windy area. But it would have had this wire coming off right here that you would have threaded through your needle, put the thread through, and then pulled it back. Pretty sure that's what that is. Probably 30s or 40s. Pretty neat. Amazing that it's in still good shape because it's just real thin aluminum and just came out of this ground. I don't know if you can see it, but this is, I had to hunt for that. It's pretty deep down there. Anyway, that's pretty neat. See you on the next. Hey y'all, I just swung my detector over this right here. It rings up 82, so it's probably either a good wheat or maybe a, look at that, it's just sitting up on top, exposed. Looks like a nice wheat penny. We'll see. Let's see what it is. Yep, it's a wheat. It's too bright out here, I can't see. I think it's a 1945. That's really sweet. It's sitting on top, basically on top of the ground. It's a nice one. See you on the next. Well, right next to that penny, I'm getting another good penny signal. Let's see what we got here. Still in the dirt. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's big and round. It's in my hand. Ah! Oh, what is it? Brass. Yeah. Brass cap of some sort, maybe? Oh, that's nice. That gave a good signal. I don't know what this is. Let me clean it up and we'll get back and show you what it is. So this is some sort of a cap to something. It's got a little tang right there and then two holes, and middle hole. Nice little brass cap to something. See you on the next. Well, y'all, I think we got another penny sticking its head up out of the dirt. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, there it is. I think that's a penny trying to stick its head out of the dirt. So I'm gonna pull it and see what it is. See if it's a penny. Oh no, it's not a penny. It is one of those. Oh, let me unzoom here. It was ringing up as a penny, but it's one of those grommets that fools me every time. Anyway, see you on the next. Well, I didn't know what to expect with this, but it rang up a solid 46 on the apex. But it's some sort of a copper or brass clip. It goes on something. If anybody knows what that might be, leave it in the comments. I was hoping for a ring, but this'll do. See you on the next. Okay, y'all, this one was a little bit difficult to find. I have it in my hand. See if I can find it again. There it is. Is this a military button? Yes, it's a Great Seal button. Awesome. Let me clean it up. I'll show it to you when it's cleaned up. Okay, I got it cleaned up. And that is a very, very shiny, nice Great Seal button. I've started searching in an area that I really haven't covered too much out here at the marble field, which is in the grass. And let's see, this has just got an iron back, so not much to see there. I love these. Come on, focus. I love these Great Seal buttons. They're beautiful. See you on the next. Hey everyone, I'm right up against the fence. It's blackberry bushes here. Right up against the fence. Right on the other side of the fence over there. When I first started hunting this property is where I found my second Walking Liberty $50. And that was pretty cool. But anyway, I just found a door jamb metal piece. It's pretty neat, which means I'm close to the front door, I guess. It's made out of copper. It's a little bit hard to find. I don't know why these signals disappear. I'll dig something, it'd be a really good signal. I'll dig it and it disappears, and I don't understand that. And but I worked around it a little bit and finally found it, and it shouldn't have disappeared as big as that part is, so I don't really understand that, but I'll figure it out. See you on the next. Well, I just got this button. I was on my way back to the truck. It's a snap button. I'm on my way back to the truck. I'm getting ready to leave and go to a different location and see what I can find over there. It's been a good hunt out here today. It's some sparklies out there. I got a general Great Seal button over there in the grass next to the fence. I was real happy with that. That was a good find. And a little buckle and another button, and it's been pretty good. I've been out here for a couple hours. Hammered this place pretty hard. Surprised I'm still getting stuff. We'll see you at the next location. See you then. Alright everybody, I'm back from the hunt. I didn't end up going to that other property. And these are my good finds from that. The Great Seal button, 1945 penny, that other button, buckle, and then the needle threader, I guess you'd call it. It says made in the USA on it. Anyway, that's pretty neat, and I'll be putting these in the case, in the display case. We'll see you on the next hunt. Have a good one. Happy hunting.